Intense and the search, next big thing in the music, next big thing in dancehall. And right now, we have a YouTuber turned producer, Chuck Star. Chuck, father, we say I do it to father. She's in jeans. You have bad artist, young lyric, and in the game right now. Right. But Chuck, before you go on this whole music journey, my father, who is Chuck Star?
Alright, so Chuck Star, back then we usually got Hastings Academic, usually one private school, you get me? And when I left that school, then I did have my subject them and things, so my mother did like tell me, say, yo, I need to go in at the force. You see me? She push it, me even go do the test. But me personally, I never want to work. Me a media man, I like post, I like edit video and stuff. And me, I say, yo, I have to go in a police phone, I have to go give up my phone for a couple of months. And because I youth, I say, yo, I don't want them to something, I don't want them to life, you get me?
Yeah.
So either way, I myself, I go do it, I go do it, I go do the test. And like, the January when I start work now, you know. I do my YouTube and things on the side, but the January when I start work now, I start do some gold digger video and then just start work. You see me, and mommy say, yo, it'll bring in some income. So she just allow me to do what I do. And it just transpire from this, so my YouTube grow. In the music now, I have a best friend. We sing and such, and usually like help her till I start falling in love with the music. Like,
not with she?
No, not with she. She's my best friend, you get me? I usually even play around and sing songs some of the time. So when like I see other producer work, I sit down and I watch how them do it and what them do. You see me? So it become a hobby. Till I start take it serious and I start search for artists.
What song was the first breakthrough song for you though?
Alright, the breakthrough song for me would be Lyric, Respect.
I'm rich already and me I want pitney. Some other youth just like
Lyric though?
Yeah.
Lyric, 14, 15?
Yeah, I'm 15.
Yeah, Lyric, like, related like, what relationship between you and Lyric?
We are friends now, but we are like brother, like we're very, you know.
So like, who discovered Lyric though? Like, you're the first one to record him?
I'm not the first person to record him, but I'm the first person to put out like an official release with him.
Some of the topics the Lyric I sing about though, at female age though. You never think like I say, yo, Jano, I'm too young for this.
In the modern society now, people are sing about what they see. So I don't like him indulging in anything when I see. Him sing about when I see I go on around him. I'm not going to kill him and say, yo, don't do that, don't do that.
But Chuck say, yeah, one of them they're really afraid now, because as a you're a prankster also.
Yeah, Billy.
Most people might know your face from the big health, what you call it, health inspector.
Yeah, correct.
Boy, Chuck Star, why? Why Chuck Star?
Because
of all the things in Jamaica you could have tried to do, why?
You have to take risks, man. If you want to be great, you have to take risks. You get me?
Speaking of risks right now,
yeah.
The music industry right now is a risky business also.
Yeah.
Like, how you find artists though?
I feel like I just have a talent to I have ears for like the music, I hear a song. Then we use that now and try to put it out so other people can hear it for the first time. You get me?
Is it hard for you to promote a song though?
No, I'm going to say it hard, honestly. I'm not really, promotion is not a hard thing for me. You see me, and we have a team.
Most people say promotion is the hardest thing in the whole game.
No, promotion
is easy.
The algorithm love me, I don't know why. Algorithm love me. Anything I put out, it just work.
Are you a composer or are you just the exec production?
Executive, like
how you find beats?
Allow the artists them to be comfortable, like when I just force them to work with a beat. I say, yo, watch now, express yourself, go up on YouTube. If you can find a hit on a beat, if we can reach out to the composer or if we can release the beat or buy it.
So it's a process basically, them find the beat or you find the beat?
Yeah.
Them
majority of the time I me find the beat still. Cause then we come with like a song and then me like give, just like Cheese in Jeans. Cause if you know Cheese in Jeans, I never that the beat there depend. And I never that the beat him freestyle it and.
Okay.
So I one night now I just send him the beat and I say, yo, do a freestyle and send it to me, I hear the song. And him send it to me, I start hit that. And then we get up and voice it.
And work.
And it work.
Yeah. What's the most unique thing about Chuck Star though?
I like when I extend the second verse them. So most of my song them, you can see like a 8 bar, I got turn into a 16 bar. You get me? Even if the rhythm has a 8 bar, you get me? So that's something I always do.
So what's next for you? Like, what we can look out for you? What next projects do you have?
I have a song coming up with Lyric Leader. Song they're gonna do well. Song they're gonna go far.
Is that thing that you try to only work with young artists only? Because when I see you actually compare yourself or add nobody to what have name already out there.
Me feel like I'm more if I make my name from sending somebody on a bus at a road than to go work with somebody already there road.
Who are some of the people you look up to in the dancehall?
Still a big fan of Alkaline music. Like me usually like listen to like certain ad libs and certain wordplay where I make in a song them. So I feel like I really get most inspired from like Alkaline.
Dream collab.
You know, say Alkaline is a mad collab. I feel like could I have a massive hit with Alkaline. You know, 12.
What about the artists from old school though?
Him not alive still, Garnet still, you know him?
Garnet. If me know Garnet though?
Yeah.
But that legend one.
Well, yeah man, they are
And next
legend,
Bobby
man.
Attawa bro man.
Yeah man, rate fee music. Them.
Garnet.
Yeah, Garnet.
Jockstar, if you could headline a show right now, would you have 3 top artists in Jamaica? Who would it be?
Would have the Cartel, the Alkaline, and the Lyric. You know why the Lyric? If you realize him have a lot of audience from film age. You get me? Like the small kids, them look up the Lyric.
So you put Carter and Algan on the same stage?
Yeah, that would have massive. No man, same stage.
You sure?
Yeah.
No bad.
Yeah.
Jockstar,
Yeah.
you and Dancehall, where you see yourself next 5 years?
Right now I go stop, just I go work. You get me? Just always I work. Just to myself I work harder and harder.
And last and final now, what makes Jockstar intense?
Just my personality, like me have a reserve energy, as me no too like me no force, you get me?
Mad.
But just calm see, yeah.
Well, the man said music have to take risk, you know. One Jockstar, Chuck. Big enough father, you see me?
Believe.
Check him out, modest thing, bad.